you are a badass. You're settling for a life that's way smaller than what you deserve. While most people spend their entire lives playing it safe, staying comfortable, and making excuses for why their dreams are unrealistic. There's a mindset that turns ordinary people into unstoppable forces of nature. The people who master this don't just achieve their goals, they completely transform their reality and start living like powerful creators they were born to be. As someone who has transformed my own life from struggle to success and helped over 500 people break through their limitations, I can tell you that the difference between people who thrive and those who survive comes down to one fundamental shift in how they see themselves. In this video, I will reveal the four mindset shifts that separate the badasses from everyone else, why your beliefs are literally creating your reality, and the exact process to stop playing small and start living boldly. Awareness is your awakening. The first shift will expose the invisible prison most people live in their entire lives. And once you see it, you can never go back to unconscious living. Most of us are running on autopilot, controlled by beliefs we picked up in childhood, stories we tell ourselves about what's possible, and patterns we never question. We think we are making conscious choices, but we are actually being controlled by old programming that keeps us stuck in the same cycles. You can't change what you can't see, which is why most people stay trapped in the lives that feel frustrating and small. Awareness means becoming conscious of the thoughts, beliefs, and stories running your life. It's catching yourselves when you say, I can't afford that, I am not good enough, or that's not for people like me. These aren't facts, they are just beliefs. Once you see them as beliefs instead of truth, you can start questioning and changing them. For the next 3 days, carry a small notebook and write down every limiting thought you catch yourself thinking. Don't judge them, just observe. Things like, I'll never be successful, or I don't have what it takes. At the end of 3 days, look at your list and ask, where did I learn this belief? Is it actually true? This exercise will shock you with how much negative programming you're carrying. Self love is your superpower. There's one relationship that determines the quality of every other area of your life. And most people are completely sabotaging it without realizing the massive cost. We are taught that self love is selfish or arrogant, so we become our own worst critics. We talk to ourselves in ways we would never talk to a friend. We accept less than we deserve because deep down we don't believe we are worthy of more. But here's the truth, the energy you have for yourself is the energy you put out into the world. If you don't love and respect yourselves, why would anyone else? Self love isn't about thinking you are perfect, it's about treating yourself like someone you genuinely care about. It's setting boundaries, speaking to yourselves with kindness, and believing you deserve good things. When you truly love yourselves, you stop accepting scrap and start demanding excellence in every area of your life. This week, practice talking to yourselves like you would talk to your best friend. When you make a mistake, instead of I'm so stupid, try everyone makes mistakes. What can I learn here? Also, write down 5 things you can genuinely appreciate about yourselves every morning. Watch how this shifts your confidence and the way you respond to others. Your beliefs create your reality. What I am about to tell you might sound impossible, but science is proving that your thoughts are literally shaping the world around you in ways that will blow your mind. Most people think reality happens to them, that they are victims of circumstances, bad luck, or other people's choices. But quantum physics shows us that consciousness plays a role in creating reality. Your beliefs act like a filter that determines what opportunities you notice, what risks you take, and what actions you're willing to take. If you believe money is scarce, you will unconsciously avoid opportunities to make it. Your beliefs are like magnets attracting experiences that match them. Believe you are unlucky and you will notice every bad thing that happens. Believe you are powerful and you will start seeing possibilities everywhere. The universe doesn't care if your beliefs are true, it just responds to what you constantly focus on and feel. Choose one area where you want different results. Write down what you currently believe about that area. Then write what a successful person in that area would believe instead. Every morning for 2 weeks, read the new belief out loud and spend 5 minutes visualizing yourself already having that success. Notice how your actions and opportunities start changing. Massive action creates momentum. There's one moment that separates dreamers from achievers. And most people miss it because they are waiting for something that will never come. We think we need to feel ready, have all the information, or wait for the right time before taking action. But confidence doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing. Every day you wait is another day staying exactly where you are. The universe rewards bold actions, not perfect plans. Most successful people took action before they felt ready. Massive action means making moves even when you are scared, even when you don't have all the answers, even when it feels uncomfortable. It's understanding that clarity comes through action, not thought. Every time you take a bold step, you signal to yourself and the universe that you are serious about change. Identify one scary action you have been avoiding, something that could significantly improve your life. Set a deadline to take that action within the next 7 days. Don't overthink it. Don't wait for more information. Just do it. Notice how taking one bold action creates momentum for even bigger actions. Courage builds through practice, not preparation. Fear is your growth compass. The emotion that most people run from is actually trying to guide them towards their greatest breakthroughs. But only if you know how to read the message correctly. We are programmed to avoid fear because our brains interpret it as danger. So, we stay in our comfort zones, avoiding risks and wonder why life feels boring and stuck. But fear isn't always warning you of danger. Often, it's pointing towards growth. The things that scare you most are usually the things you most need to do to expand your life. Fear is excitement without breath. It's your internal GPS saying something important is happening here. The most fulfilling experience in life require you to feel afraid and do it anyway. Fear doesn't disappear when you become successful. You just get better at dancing with it. Make a list of 5 things that excite you but also scare you. Pick the one that scares you most and take one small action towards it this week. Maybe it's signing up for a class, having a difficult conversation, or researching a business idea. Notice that the anticipation is usually worse than the actual experience. These 5 shifts will completely transform how you show up in the world. But here's what most people struggle with when they start believing in themselves. You can develop unshakable self belief and take massive action. But if you don't understand how to navigate the mental resistance and self sabotage that comes up when you start changing, you will get knocked off course every time things get challenging. Breaking through to your badass self requires understanding the deeper patterns that try to keep you small. That's exactly what I cover in my Mountain is You summary, where I break down Rihanna's insights on overcoming self sabotage and turning your biggest obstacles into your greatest strengths. If you want to stay on track when your transformation gets tough, that video is essential. Click here to watch it next.